Good morning, friends. I'm Advocate Milan Khole. Today, I like to have a talk on discussion of very important matter, that is arguments. Arguments. The arguments plays a very important role in the court. Most of the juniors are able to know or eager to know how the argument should be made in the court. So, my friends, I'll have a few tips to you regarding arguments. Arguments is nothing but a kind of a convinced story to the court. Arguments is a kind of the stories which are being explained by the advocate, by the defendant advocate, and by the court itself. Where such kind of the stories are being placed in such a way where it wants to convince the court. So before coming to the argument, I like to say the advocate who is ready for making an argument, he should be a well-dressed. He should be a good present personality, way of talking, way of speaking, and way of moving towards the podium to the court. This will create an impact to the court and the audience and the advocates who are sitting nearby. So his presentations and along with the word which has been using by the argument, your lordship, my lord, lady lordship, honorable court, the small words which can be impressed to the court. So the arguments is mostly dependent upon the drafting. The drafting plays a very important role. But even though drafting is good, very enough, it is the duty of the advocate to present such kind of the drafting in the court. The presentation of the drafting should be such a way where the advocates of his client wants to convince to the court what he wants to say. That should not be the voice of the advocate should be very loud or very slow. It should be in a level where he wants to narrate his story to the court. While narrating his story or along the section where he wants to explain to the court. My dear friends. Even though he has not been much more expert about the knowledge of the sections, but he should have the complete knowledge of the facts. The facts which he is supposed to produce in the court. And while producing the facts of one of the petition is already with the court itself, but court does not have that much time to go through whole draft. In that case, the advocate should highlight the sentences where it will be important for him to defend his client. Only mugging up the arguments if you go in the court, in that case, if you have mugged the argument and went to the court, but the court is very much knowledgeable, he can stop you in between, the defendant advocates can stop you in between, that will create a great puzzle to you to start again. So mugging is not the important thing, the fact which you want to disclose to the court is very important. And along with the discussing of the fact, you should always use the citations. The citations where the judgments are already be given in the Supreme Court, in the Session Court, in the High Court. Where the presentation of your skill along with the argument will be very important to the court. So my dear, in how you convince to the court. So another important thing, you should read the court. You should read the judge, how he is and how he wants and what he wants. Always sell the product to the buyers what he likes. But along with that, the convincing power should be in the argument. Where his advocate is trying to plead. So my dear friend, these are the small tips about the argument which have been discussed with you. If you got any kind of problems or any kind of question to be asked, you can contact me on my phone number, which is displayed as 98237 83063. Till then, bye bye. See you on the next episode.